Welcome. I'm Ms. Furman. I'm presenting to my peers and administrators and to the parents of my students. This is the Introduction to Kindergarten Mathematics. Major kindergarten level focus and revisions. It is within the kindergarten level that there is a focus on problem solving and perseverance, reasoning by abstract and quantitative methods, construct logical and critique reasoning of classmates, usage of mathematics models, usage of effective math tools, emphasis on precision in math, analyze and uses of structure, analyze and express, and repeated reasoning. The 2017 Crosswise K through 8 Mathematics Major Revisions. It is within the grade level of kindergarten that there is a focus on perceptual subsidizing is more clearly defined. It is defined as what they see with their eyes, as seen in the below example. What are the missing numbers? Conceptual subsidizing has been made more explicit. Conceptual subsidizing is defined as how the brain interprets the information, as seen in the bottom example, as illustrated in the bottom example. What comes before? The Common Core Standards for Mathematical Practice. In the kindergarten level, there are 7 clusters, but for this presentation, I will only address 3. For the first cluster, there's the topic of building a mathematical community through exploring attributes. Then you have standards. And there's a second cluster, and the topic for the second cluster is understanding the relationship between numbers and quantitatives. And then you have another standard. The third cluster, the topic is comparing quantitatives with counting and spatial relationships. And then there's another standard. Domain progressions. In this slide, as illustrated in the worksheet Analyzing Bar Charts, there is the question asked, how many kids liked apples? For this question, the student will analyze the bar graph that is red and has the apple fruit below it. And as we can see, there are 4 students that liked apples. So for the first example, how many kids liked apples? The answer will be 4 kids liked apples. For the second worksheet, matching shapes to names 2-dimensionals. Draw a line between a shape and its name. For the first example, the student has to identify the shape, which is a circle, and then draw a line through the shape and the name, which is a circle. And for the last example, there is a diamond. The student has to first recognize the shape, which is a diamond, and then draw a line to the name of diamond. Thirdly, we have the calculator. Students have already been introduced to the calculator, or will be introduced in the semester. Then we have the ruler that is used to measure objects. These are all of the mathematical tools that will be used during the semester. Summarizing reflection. In conclusion, it is imperative that elementary school mathematics teachers at the kindergarten level maintain expected on-task grade level progression. What this means is that the students arrive and they're already on level. Secondly, advancing to expectations for year to year. This means that the student is developing fundamental skills in order to advance from every year that the student starts school. Thirdly, math is a lifelong learning tool. As these students go further their education in school, they will have math, and as they go along in their life, and in their careers, that math will always be something that they will be learning nonstop. Thank you for your participation and attention for the presentation. Thank you.